Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best kids table and chair sets that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for the perfect set for your child's playroom, daycare, or classroom, we've got you covered. And don't forget, you can find the links to all the products in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we had the Flash Furniture Mindy Kids 5-piece set. This set includes a square table and 4 colorful chairs, making it a fantastic choice for classrooms, daycares, or even your kids' playroom. Its standout feature is the foldable design, which allows you to store the table and chairs flat when not in use. This is particularly handy for homes with limited space. The table measures 24 inches on all sides and is 20.25 inches high, making it ideal for children from preschool to first grade. The build quality is solid for its price. Made from durable vinyl material, the set is designed to withstand years of use. The chairs can hold up to 81 pounds, and the table can support up to 70 pounds, which is impressive for its lightweight design. Plus, there's no assembly required, just unpack and unfold. The colorful finish adds a playful touch, though it might not blend seamlessly with more minimalist or neutral decor styles. While the foldable feature and price point are big advantages, the vinyl material may not feel as premium as solid wood options. Additionally, the chairs, while sturdy, may not be as comfortable for extended use. Overall, this set is perfect for families or educators looking for a portable, space-saving solution for multi-use spaces. It's functional, affordable, and easy to maintain. Coming in at number 4 is the Delta Children Kids Table and Chair Set. This set includes a rectangular table and 4 chairs, making it perfect for siblings or group playdates. The table is generously sized at 31.5 inches long, 23.5 inches wide, and 17.5 inches high, providing enough room for arts and crafts, homework, or snack time. The gray and blue color scheme is modern and neutral, so it will fit well in most home settings. This set is crafted from sturdy pine wood, ensuring durability even with daily use. Each chair can support up to 50 pounds, making it suitable for kids aged 3 and up. The craftsmanship is solid, and the design is simple yet functional. It's worth noting that this set does require some assembly, but the process is straightforward and manageable. The 4 chairs are a huge plus for larger families or group settings, as most sets in this price range include only 2 chairs. On the downside, the chairs might feel slightly small for older or taller kids, and at 32 pounds, the set is a bit heavier to move around. Additionally, while the design is attractive, it lacks any special features like built-in storage or a reversible tabletop. However, for its price, this set offers excellent value, especially for families who need extra seating. It's a practical and stylish choice for homes or playrooms with multiple kids. At number 3, we have the Delta Children My Size Kids Wood Table and Chair Set, which is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. This 3-piece set includes a square table and 2 chairs, making it perfect for smaller households or limited spaces. The table measures 23.5 inches on all sides and stands at 19.625 inches tall, which is just the right size for toddlers and kids aged 3 and up. The set is crafted from MDF wood, ensuring a sturdy and stable structure. The gray finish is modern neutral, making it easy to incorporate into various decor styles. It's also GreenGuard Gold certified, meaning it meets strict chemical emission standards for safer indoor air quality. Assembly is required, but is fairly straightforward with the included instructions. The set is lightweight at 26 pounds, so it's easy to move around when needed. While the price is highly attractive, the set does have some limitations. The chairs can only support up to 50 pounds, so it may not be ideal for older kids. Additionally, the MDF material, while sturdy, may not have the same longevity as solid wood. However, for its price, this set offers great value for families on a budget. It's ideal for arts and crafts, snack time, or as a homework station for younger kids. Our number 2 pick is the Gizoon Kids Table and Chairs with Storage. This is a feature-packed set that includes a table and 2 chairs, making it perfect for kids who love crafting, playing, or studying. The table measures 24.5 inches on all sides and stands 19 inches tall. What sets this set apart is its multi-purpose tabletop. One side is a chalkboard, while the other is a whiteboard. This dual functionality encourages creativity and learning, and it's great for activities like drawing, writing, or even building with blocks. The design includes built-in storage, with fabric bins under the chairs and extra space beneath the tabletop. This is a game changer for parents tired of clutter, as it provides ample space to store toys, books, and art supplies. The engineered wood construction is sturdy, and the modern white finish fits seamlessly into most home styles. Assembly does take a bit of time due to the multiple parts, but the clear instructions and labeled pieces make the process manageable. On the downside, the price is not listed, which might make it less accessible for some buyers. Additionally, at £38, it's heavier than most kids' table sets, which might make it difficult to move frequently. However, the versatility, storage options, and high-quality build make this set a fantastic investment for families who want a multifunctional, stylish, and organized play area. Finally, at number 1, we have the Melissa & Doug solid wood table and 2 chairs set. As the premium option in our lineup, this set combines timeless design with exceptional durability. The table is 20 inches wide, 23.5 inches long, and 20.25 inches tall, providing ample workspace for activities ranging from arts and crafts to homework and mealtime. The blonde wood finish is both elegant and neutral, making it a stunning addition to any playroom. The solid wood construction ensures durability and stability, making this set a long-lasting choice for families. Each chair has a seat height of 11 inches and holds up to 100 pounds, accommodating kids of various ages. Assembly is straightforward and can be completed in about 30 minutes. The set's sturdy design and attention to detail are what you'd expect from Melissa & Doug, a trusted name in children's products. The only real downside here is the price, which is higher than other options on our list. However, if you're looking for a premium, high-quality set that will grow with your child and stand the test of time, this is the one to choose. It's perfect for families who value craftsmanship and are willing to invest in a product that combines style, functionality, and durability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products or want to share your own experiences, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.